Hi everyone, it's Kasia from Tarot Map, and today I would like to show you the Painted Tarot by Sophie McKay Knight. I have received this deck for review just for, disclosure, but as you know, I never take decks that I don't love, so in the end, it doesn't really matter. I only want to show you the decks that I am passionate about, that I think are amazing, and that, I think you will like as well because it fits the channel and the profile that I provide. So you know that I love art, and you know that I love color, and to be honest, I wasn't expecting to like this deck that much. I saw the images online and I thought they were beautiful. As you can see, it comes in this deck box, but it's pretty well done. But I thought like, oh yeah, another tarot deck, right? Do I really need another tarot deck? So Sophie, it doesn't come with a little white book. It just comes with, like a little kind of explanation and introduction to Sophie's work. Sophie's an artist, and I've seen that she's having an exhibition now. It took her 2 years to paint this deck. And yeah, just take a look for yourself. Just see what you think, about the cards. So first we're going to see the major arcana, and just off the bat, I just want you to take a look at this amazing color scheme and just beautiful. Through the color, I think color awakens our emotions. So I really feel connected to this deck, or I really feel this deck. It's even maybe the better description. The backs are awesome, like from the artist's studio. So here we have the Alchemist, High Priestess, the Empress, Emperor, the Hierophant. And I love some takes on this. So, here you can see that the Hierophant has one eye open, one eye closed. So you can really, kind of go off with the inspiration. This reminds me very much of Marc Chagall, Chagall's painting, The Lovers. The Chariot, I love this Chariot. I don't know, it just reminds me a little bit of Mary L. Chariot with the wolves. This one, you don't know what animal that is. Is this an animal? Is this some form of, crazy chariot? Strength comes with this evangelist kind of symbol. So that's quite interesting. I have to sit with this a bit longer, but let's say this is Mary Magdalene, hey? And Hermit faces like this ravine, like, I don't know, it's just something evocative about it. Sophie sent me also this little kind of key magnet for the fridge, like fridge magnet. And I got the Wheel of Fortune, and I do feel like I'm in a huge initiation, mostly about, I guess for me, it's really important. And I realized recently, when I was traveling, I'm in Croatia right now. When I was traveling, I realized that I was always looking for the sacred marriage. I was always searching for marrying, the logical with the intuitive. So I was like intuitively drawn to astrology, and I studied astrology for so long, and this is a wonderful marriage of intuitive and systematic, like kind of mathematical, logical cycles, like ephemeris. Tarot seems another one, and especially the way I read it, that I love the system of tarot and I want to keep the system of tarot, but then I would love to add the intuitive layer to it. I want to see it grow. Look at this tower, so gorgeous. I want to see it grow. I want to see it evolve. The star and the moon and the sun. So in this way, I guess this tarot also fits this description somehow, because it has that intuitive, colorful kind of emotional vibe. And then at the same time also, it is a tarot system. So these were our major arcana. So I'm just going to put them aside, and I would like to show you the 4 aces So we're going to do it in fours now. Okay, so just so you can see how beautiful that looks. So we have 4 aces, the pentacles, wands, cups, and swords. I love this dove coming down here to the cups. I don't know, it's just a really really beautiful, beautiful deck. Look at the artwork of all of those. So 2 of cups, 2 of swords, 2 of coins, and 2 of wands. So we can't say it's Pippi. She says she loves Rider-Waite-Smith, so she based her deck obviously on Rider-Waite-Smith, but I love it because it has, you know, this fresh look to it. It's not that typical clone of Rider-Waite-Smith. So here we have the 3 of swords. I love actually that, you know, that the head is also a kind of, yeah, there's this heart, but also the head reminds us of like the Green Man, the Aries, the Emperor. There is this kind of indication of like use your mind in this creative, you know, green kind of heart chakra like way. Don't let your mind, you know, stab you. So here we have 3 of cups, 3 of wands, very kind of, you know, I love it. Oh, it's just this sense of passion and I'm ready to go off. And this beautiful cooperation here. And then we have the 4s. So there is beautiful 4 of wands, gorgeous 4 of swords, 4 of cups, and 4 of pentacles, which I love how the pentacles kind of become hair, you know. Yeah, it's beautiful. But this 4 of wands, wow, just stunning. So 4s, and then we have the 5s. So there's 5 of coins. You know, kind of snowing. I wish there was some kind of indication of the other person, because I always include it into my interpretation. But if you know tarot, you can totally get this kind of chaotic snowing, you know. There's 5 of wands, they look all the other direction. Somehow this emotional 5 of cups, like gray, and, you know, the cups are behind her. We don't get the 2 and 3 split, but there's this death recognition somehow, because the calibers are also in the death card. There is just something around it. And 5 of swords maybe feels a little bit like 8 of swords, but also we know that there is this I see these 2, I don't see these 2. There's just some form of unclarity around that 5, right? So that's the 5s. And then we have the 6s. Oops, 1 7 came through. So 6 of wands, 6 of cups, beautiful. 6 of swords. I don't know, like I love this interpretation because it feels like she's like lifting herself up. Maybe, you know, let's say there was some issue, but she's like lifted herself up with the 6. She's understanding more. She's taking, you know, the bird view on the situation. And the 6 of pentacles, so gorgeous. It's really stunning, stunning artwork. So Sophie, if you ever watch this, this is amazing. So we have 7s, and we can see the 7 of pentacles, recognizable, very much like passion driven, and, you know, kind of like perseverance, and I'm strong. 7 of wands, 7 of cups, with this like creativity and like canvas, you know, the paintings go wrong, there is no clarity here. And then 7 of swords also, which is a kind of dark background, makes you, you know, stop and think, right? What's going on here? What are you seeing? And then we have the 8s. So 8 of pentacles, 8 of wands, really gorgeous kind of spring-like feel. 8 of swords is interesting because you also get this kind of stars into her hair. Is this like saying, hey, brighten up, like open up, look up, right? Don't look down, don't close your eyes to the situation. There is some other out of here, right? And then eight of cups kind of feels maybe a little bit happier than in the regular Rider-Waite-Smith deck, but it's very moon drivel, it's very emotional, right? And she's kind of like, I wish she was walking away from this. And then we have the nines. So 9. Okay. Gorgeous. Just beautiful. Look at this pop of yellow. This amazing 9 of cups. It's beautiful. Just beautiful. And the 10s. Gorgeous. Just like, I don't know if they belong to my favorite 10s already. Like this 10 of wands. Look at this 10 of swords, just so gorgeous. And then we have 10 of cups. I love that this is not just male and female, but like, you know, just a community card. And here we have this more traditional sense of family. And then we have pages. So they're young. They all hold, you know, the emblem, Page of Cups. It's interesting, kind of made up of cups. And then we have knights. They all on horses. Okay, so knights. And then we have the queens, which are gorgeous. Just look at this color. Look at this pop of red. And there's no filter here. The colors are really, like the way it's printed, the colors come up amazing, and there is no lamination. So I'm thinking, wow, you can actually make this amazing colors happen without a lamination, right? But look at the kings. They're kind of like shadowy lads, all black and white. Interesting, right? So it's like a black and white patriarchy, kind of. I don't know, just get a, you know, kind of shadow vibe from this one. So this is the deck. Let's see how it shuffles. The cards are quite stiff. I mean, they're quite, you know, they're quite thick. So it's really good paper to like, to feel, because it feels like it has some little bit of texture. I don't know, it's just gorgeous to handle, easy to shuffle like this, a bit kind of too thick maybe to shuffle, to riffle shuffle, but let's try again, maybe it will give a bit. Yeah, it's not very bendy, so for the riffle shuffling it's maybe not the best. Like, as you can see, I can do it, but it's not the easiest riffle shuffle. I would like to show you something, because I thought, oops, I want to try to combine it with Tarot Ozarks, my Marseille deck, because I just thought this artworks, maybe that will go. Let's see, I haven't tried it yet. So we have like some 3 cards. And then let's see. I just love how that looks. It's so gorgeous. So Tarot Ozarks, I have the old version, you know, with the old bags. See, this is from, I think, Make Playing Cards, or from the other one, Printer Studio, that shuffles well for riffle shuffling. They thin, but you know, they shuffle really well. Okay, so let's see if I was right, if it goes. So what do you think? Maybe? Not bad, right? That looks pretty cool. So if we want to pull a few more. And then a few more. Wow, I love it. I love it. But still, Let me know what are your thoughts on this gorgeous tarot, which is called the Painted Tarot by Sophie McKay Knight. And yeah, I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. So thanks for watching, guys. Speak to you soon. Bye.